This problem is, given the protons, electrons, and neutrons, create the atomic notation for that element. Use the periodic table as a reference. They give us the information. The element has 15 protons, 18 electrons, and 17 neutrons. First, we're going to focus on the protons. This will tell us what the elemental symbol is. If we look at the periodic table, we can see that the 15 protons corresponds to the 15th element. That's going to be P, phosphorus. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write the symbol P for the atomic notation. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to include the 15 protons in the atomic notation. The proton number goes at the bottom left. After we have the protons in place, we're going to focus on the charge. The charge is going to be equal to the protons minus the electrons. Our proton number is 15, and we have 18 electrons, minus 18. That means our charge is going to be 15 minus 18 is -3. So we're going to write the charge in the top right of the P. I'm going to write it as 3 minus. You can also write it as -3. It doesn't matter. Last, we're going to figure out the mass. The mass is the protons plus the neutrons. The proton number is 15 and the neutrons are 17. 15 plus 17 equals 32. We take the mass number that we figured out, 32, and we put it in the top left. And now your atomic notation is complete.